Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to use push to connect fittings in regards to boost reference and vacuum. I hope you guys enjoy this video and like, share, subscribe. Alright, these are the fittings I'm using, the tubing I'm using, the tubing cutter, the T-fitting, and this is the 1/8 inch tap that I'll be using, and the drill that you would want to use is the 21/64. I will be cutting this line off and putting the T-fitting on and making sure that it goes to the electronic boost control solenoid that I need to find a place to mount, but I'm gonna run the lines for it, and then it's gonna jump over to the wastegate right there, that fitting, and then I'm gonna have another line that goes through the firewall and enter. I'm gonna enter that Haltech right there because that has a built-in 3-bar map sensor. Unfortunately, I don't have a video of using the drill bit and the tap to get that fitting onto the manifold because, I mean, I did it before it was installed. But for sure, that's the one that you want, is 21/64, and then you tap it to this if you want to run 1/4 inch line. So easy to disconnect. All you got to do is push down, hit this button here, and then it slides right out. There's these little teeth that hold it in from coming out, and that's basically one of the reasons why I'm doing it, because I want to have a reference off of this guy, from this guy, and go straight into the Haltech itself. It'll be really awesome, really convenient to use. So originally this boost control solenoid actually came with these fittings on it, these little things, and I just thought it was just a pain in the butt to use these little rubber hoses to pull off and on if I needed to relocate it. So I just took them off and I replaced them with those fittings that I showed you earlier. So far, this is how it looks. I'm not afraid of it being shown right here because later when I get the intake manifold piping routed, it's going to cover most of it, so you can't really see it. It's coming off the manifold, going to the fuel pressure regulator, tees off, and that goes to the boost control solenoid, which is over here somewhere. And then from there, it's going to the wastegate. And then if you see that line that's going through the firewall, it's coming through from here, straight off that T that goes to the fuel pressure regulator and manifold. Here, this line, I'm having it go underneath the fuel rail, and it's gonna route in with these wiring harnesses and then go to the wastegate. I'm actually gonna take that off and wrap it with some heat tape, just to, you know, peace of mind. Alright guys, this is the final product. I ended up putting electrical tape just to hold it on one end and then the other as well, but she actually looks pretty. Alright guys, this is the line that's coming from the firewall. This is the one that's going to the Haltech, and this is T-fitting, which I'm going to replace. I'm going to replace these lines, and let me get this off. And this is the one that goes to the boost gauge that is over there somewhere, one of those two. Alright guys, I got the line hooked up to the Haltech, and it's going to this push to connect here, and it's going back to the firewall. All wired up, she's ready for some boost reference.
I technically don't have to wire up the boost gauge because I can read it off the ECU itself, but she's looking. It did take me a little bit to get that on because I had to heat it up so much. It is very cold out here. It's pretty close to freezing temperature right now, so this heat gun could only do so much.
Hey guys, that concludes the video for putting those fittings in. I hope you guys learned something from this video. And please like, share, subscribe. That would mean a lot to me. And I hope you guys have a great day. Peace.